Hello YouTubers, this is JC NBA A350 fan for another unboxing of JC Wings Singapore Airlines A350 10,000 Airbus aircraft livery. I'll be reviewing this one. For a start, Airbus celebrated the delivery of its 10,000 aircraft on October 14, 2016, with Singapore Airlines receiving a new A350-900 at special ceremony. It will be delivered the next day to Singapore, and then the aircraft is the 6th A350 delivered to Singapore Airlines, which has ordered a total of 67 of the cutting-edge new planes. Emblazoned with a special 10,000 Airbus logo, the plane will be used to launch the airline's new Singapore to San Francisco direct route. The long-haul route's flying time will vary between 14 hours and 35 minutes and an epic 17 hours and 45 minutes depending on direction and winds. The MSN of this airline is a 054 in line, I guess, and it's the 6th Singapore Airlines that they're gonna deliver. Its actual first flight is September 26, 2016. It is the 49th Airbus 350 to fly. And the delivery is October 15, 2016. This is the 43rd A350 to be delivered. Moving on. Front of the box with the 10,000 logo livery. There it is. Top of the box, and nothing to see on the back except JC Wings and their Facebook page. And this bottom of the box, as you can see, alright, it's the flap down version. There you go, flap down version, Singapore Airlines. Okay. There's a model. The landing gears. And the stand that comes with it. Singapore Airlines A350-900 on a 1:200 scale, with a plastic wrapper. I'm gonna take it out of the box. And here's the model. The brand new Singapore Airlines 10,000 Airbus aircraft livery. Start with the nose. of the airplane. So we got the weather radar in the front. There it is, the weather radar. We got the pitot tubes, the MFP1, AOA. We got the ice probe detector and the weather radar inside. And then we have that Star Alliance logo, member of Star Alliance, Singapore Airlines. I think they made these wings made a bigger cockpit window with this model, the Airbus A350 logo. And we got the ISP, 3 ISP. We got the beacon light, anti-collision beacon light. We got the VHF. VHF antenna. There you go. And then it doesn't have the ADF antenna showing. Probably there's none. And then we have another VHF antenna. And then we have the Wi-Fi box. And then the ELT antenna. It stands for emergency locator transmitter. And also it has the HF right about here, the HF antenna. Alright, so we got the flap down version. So these are the Rolls-Royce Trent XWB 84, the spin. So we got the engine strike, the spin easily. Another view. Spin easily. Engine strike. Nose gear. And then at the back is the APU exhaust. It's a vertical stabilizer with this it does move from left to right. I don't want to do it. And horizontal stabilizers, they'll move too. Moving on to starboard side, same thing. Star lines, pitot tubes. We have the ISP on the right side. Cargo doors. It goes all the way to the blended winglet. $10,000 livery. The silver crest logo of Singapore Airlines. Okay, underneath the gear, front gear doors, some markings. I guess the TCAS. TCAS is traffic collision and avoidance system underneath. And then we have the DME, distance measuring equipment. And then radio altimeter. Got some marker in there. Alright, so this is hole for stand, gear and gear doors. Number 1 engine with a little bit of exhaust underneath. The engine 2, same thing. So we got the slots all the way down, down. The pylons, the flaps are going down, aileron is going down, fuel dump valve, same thing on the left wing, pylons, the slots are down, flaps, aileron, and the registration 9V-SMF. So I think it's the 7th Airbus A350 of Singapore Airlines, as F indicated. Or the 6th, yeah, sorry, 6. Okay, moving on to the back. Some markings. Cargo doors, the APU housing, top of the wing, slots, lay down, flaps, aileron, same thing on the right wing. Pause for a while. Alright, moving on for the seat configuration. So seat 11 to 22 is from here to here. It's the business class. It has 42 flat bed seats with 180 degrees recline, which is nice. And so from seat 31 to 33 is a little bit, it's the premium economy. It has 24 recliner seats. And from seat 41, something over there, or all the way to the back, would be the economy seats. It has 187 standard seats, so a total of 253 seats for this aircraft. I guess that's it. So if you like the video, just click like and comment if you like, and subscribe on my channel, and hope you like it. I recommend this model, but I guess it's I think it went out so fast for the pre-order. And then that's it. Thank you. Hope to see you soon again. Alright, thanks. Bye bye.